Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, September 17th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. We had a good day today. It could have been a little bit better, but I'm not going to complain. The Dow doesn't know what it's doing. Dow opened down pretty significantly this morning. Then it rallied to positive briefly, and then turned hard negative again, and then came back and officially closed negative 130 points. So it just doesn't quite know what it wants to do. Surprisingly, we had really good day. I'll explain. We had a pile of positions coming in, and we closed those out with positive over $16,000. Now we only had positive 4,000 on the close yesterday, so we quadrupled what we had on the close yesterday. The only bad thing about this is within the first 45 minutes, I think I took a screenshot at 37 minutes. We had over $30,000, and it kind of fell apart to the point where we actually only got about half that, but we did get the half of it. We closed out over $16,000 in profits. Can't complain too much. We got into 5 new positions. 3 are positive, 2 are negative, and we are positive $5,000 plus going into Freaky Friday. So that looks good. Closed out 16 positive, carry over 5,000 positive. Yeah, that's a good day. I'll show you 3 of our stocks here. Explain a little bit what happened. This first one, this was our biggest trade. This is SRNE, Sorrento Therapeutics, and we had bought this yesterday with 2 hours to go. Big gap up this morning, and when this thing was at its top up here, it was up $23,000. Looked like one of those great outliers that we get, but it really couldn't go past that level, and then it started petering out here between 2 and 3 hours, and we were stopped out. This is a stop out exit, and we were stopped out with $15,400 in profit. Now, I'm not going to complain about a $15,000 trade, but we did see about $8,000 slip away from our high here earlier on. But, we trade the system, and a lot of people who aren't trading an algorithm like I do, they'll hang on to this thing, and, they'll hang on to it till it goes to a loss. Don't do that. We're happy with $15,000. Here's another trade that was a little bit disappointing today. This is IBIO, which is IBIO Incorporated. I believe that's a biotech. And we bought that about the middle of the day yesterday. Didn't do too much on the close, but big push up right at the beginning here. You can see between the stock I just showed you and this stock why we were up over 30,000 like the first hour of the day. This was up to about $8,000 right up here. And then it started petering out just like the other one, and we ended up being stopped out again in IBIO, and we took $3.2 thousand out of IBIO Incorporated. And then finally, I show you one that we're holding on to. This is BLNK, which is, of course, BLNK Charging Company. And we got into this right at the beginning of the second hour. It kept moving, closed there pretty near its high, and we are holding over $4,000 in BLNK Charging Company. That looks like a good trade. Everything looks pretty good today. Really can't complain too much. Anyway, Trader Bob signing off. I just hope we have a decent Freaky Friday. See you tomorrow.